Guys, George Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we're here at Disney Springs and we're at the Coke store. We've been dying to get into this store and take a look around. Now, for those who don't know, it is an entire store of Coke products. You also, in here, you can buy full-size cups of all those Coke samples you got at Epcot. Even the ones you don't like, they're here. But we want to come in and just take a look. This is our first time in the store. So, all right, let's get a sense on it. So real quick, this is something I want to show you. So, Coke and you get to choose your design, personalize your message, and then print your can. So you can make your can of Coke just for you. So we're probably gonna do one, Florida Parks After Dark. Why? Because it's just cool. So clearly what they do have, they have all your Coke stuff. They're really cute. I mean, this is some good furry. Now, I'm Floridian, so anything this would be just isn't gonna land right for us because it's just there. But then they got the Coke Bear and all the Coke stuff, Coke PJs. Okay, wait a minute. They have a Coke onesie. Yes, they have 2 Coke onesies. We might be getting one. And then they have all the Coke shirts with just all the foreign languages from all where the Cokes come from. Really, really neat. You come through, this is all the Coke. They got their own version of probably Coke Loungefly. And this is kind of cool. So back on this back wall, they finally did it. They married the whole thing with Coke and Disney. So this is where the Coke Disney bridge kind of happens. So this is where this is. So you can get your Coke, Mickey ears, metal water bottles. This is a great one. And then they have the shirts. Look at the sleeves on the shirts, right? So this is kind of their version of a hoodie. And then here's this t-shirt. It's a Walt Disney World Coke shirt. They were now $30 for these shirts. Anything on the back? Yes. So on the back, they have Walt Disney World Resort, and it has a Coke thing. So this is kind of where they're mixing the two brands. Great baseball hat. Huh. Oh, this is great. This is the old-fashioned Coke bottles. They got Mickey on one side and Coca-Cola on the other. And then they got the bucket hats. And for those at Christmas, they got the bear. So they got the polar bear. Love those commercials. Okay, we're gonna start working away. And I believe the second floor is an elevator ride. It's very surprising when upstairs, but we'll see. Let's take a walk through. As you can tell, very popular place. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so you want a Coke baseball hat? I got a Coke baseball hat for you. And yeah, just regular hat. That's awesome. Let's go back up and take a look here. So it looks. So we're gonna head upstairs and try to. Oops, excuse me. And it looks like the only way to go upstairs is to take the elevator. So look, I'm gonna show you some of the other stuff they have here. So they got all those, they got squeezies, and they got Coke golf balls, and they got a Coke baseball, right? The little bats. It's just they really are obviously pushing the Coke brand very hard. It's really nice. So listen, here's what we're gonna do. This is the first floor, all the merch is. Second floor is where you do those cans, and you wanna see what it is. So we're gonna pause here, we're gonna jump in and be back in 1 second. Hey guys, so we made it up to the second floor. Didn't wanna have the painful elevator ride to share. So think of what the downstairs was, but make it a lot less kinetic. So right here is a whole lot of just Coke brand products. They got the antique-y kind of branding stuff, some kitchenware, which is great. And then over here, they got all the Coke Christmas ornaments. Look at this. Okay, these are just really super cool. So the Coke cans are Coke branded metal, shaped into ornaments. And then you got the bear, which is just amazing. We love these bears at Christmas time. And then they have, yes they do, if you can imagine, they have a Coke Nutcracker. What? So there's that. And then they have the wall of Coke product cups. This is fantastic. And as my wife would say, this is fantastic, because I say the word a lot. So we kind of come back around. I'm going to show you guys. So here's a lot of the kitchen stuff. Kind of like Disney does. They really branded some of the kitchen products, cozies and bottle openers, and then they have the dish towels, and they have the hot pads. Now they got some of the same stuff we had downstairs, but trust me, it's a whole lot less kinetic up here. So this is all this. I want to show you that. They have Coke coolers you can buy. These are little Coke bottles. For those who are really old, Coke used to come in these wood crates like this, and they were glass, and you just have to pop it off with a bottle opener to get your soda. Yes, I'm that old. So there's that. And then they have all the Coke pins, which is just really just neat. And then they have the Coke blankets, and saving one special thing to show you guys in a second. And then here's like the trucks. Now you see the trucks at Christmas time, and this is it. This is a great truck, and they have different cars to play with. Really, just the amount of stuff they have is great. Now I gotta tell you, we saw it downstairs, we've seen it upstairs. I love it more upstairs than downstairs. They got the onesies. So they got the onesie, and they got the bear onesie. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look, I want to show you how cute it is. They got it on a mannequin. Hold on. You gotta see this. This is awesome. So that's the onesie. Loving it. And then in the back here, they have all the sell items, so you can get that. So that's it. Now, what I want to show you, and what I've been kind of hoping to show you, it is down right now, but I will show you some finished products. They just started being able to personalize Coke cans. Here's some finished products that they've done. So literally, you come in, you pick a style. There's 12 styles, from what I understand. It's $7.95 each. You pick your style, you pick your message, and you hit print. Within 5 minutes, you got a finished product. You can watch it being made, and they're real Coke cans. So you get Coke Zero, you get regular Coke, you get Diet Coke. And so here's just some real examples. Now, I had a great conversation. Guys here are fantastic, incredibly friendly, and let me know that this has been here for 3 weeks, and this is kind of a new thing for them. Sadly, because it's been here for 3 weeks and it's very popular, the system is down right now. So we got our fingers crossed it's gonna come back up before we leave, and if it does, guys, we're making a can. So with that said, we're gonna venture up to the 3rd floor and see what they have. And there you go. So guys, hang in there, we're on to our next. Hey guys, you're at Florida Parks After Dark. We're up on the 3rd floor of the Coke. And this is where they have the seating, and you can get all the different floats. They have Coke floats, and they have Coke drinks. And it's all those drinks you can get at Epcot are here. Just circle in there and get a chance to look at it. But look at real quick. Look at this view. This is the 3rd floor of Coke. This is fantastic. You can see for miles. So let's go check out that menu real quick. Slide in here. So they have a Coke machine, which is great, but then they have this. So this is where you can get all your goodies. So let's zoom in. So there's the menu. You get the orange cream float, which is that special over there. They have mocktails, and they have all the different kinds of drinks. pretzels and slushies and ices. So really, this is just kind of a place to come up. It's outside, so it's warm. But there's elevator access, and this is just really great. But look, what you can see from here is you watch a volcano explode. Oh, it just ended. So that's Rainforest. Oh, there we go. That's Rainforest Cafe. All right, so listen, guys. We'll circle back. This is George, Florida Parks After Dark. We have done everything in the Coke store that you can do. We have now even come up to the top floor. This is where you can get any of the Coke flavors you want. You can get Coke floats, you can get ices, you can get food. It's a good, fun place to be. You also have a view of Disney Springs, which is outstanding. So listen, you guys go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and you guys take care.